A shape collage can turn a simple product poster into a creative composition with plenty of visual personality. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Start with a clean background. Then open the Elements panel and choose different shapes such as circles, rectangles, triangles, blobs, and abstract forms. Add several shapes in different sizes and arrange them together to create a collage around the main product area. Upload your product image and position it above the collage so it remains the primary focal point. Add a bold headline, a short product description, pricing, and a clear call to action using clean typography. Keep the colors consistent by selecting shades that match your brand and repeating them throughout the collage. Experiment